In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Teams error. We're sorry we've run into an issue. If Microsoft Teams suddenly stops working and shows that message, don't worry. This error is usually tied to a temporary sign-in glitch or an outdated or corrupted app file, and there are two reliable ways to fix it. I'll walk you through both, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, try signing out of Teams and signing back in. Open Microsoft Teams and look for your profile picture in the top right corner. Click it, then choose Sign Out. After Teams signs you out, fully close the app. Make sure it's not still running in the background. On many devices, that means quitting the app completely, not just minimizing it. Once it's closed, reopen Microsoft Teams and sign in again. This quick reset refreshes your login tokens, which often resolves the error right away. If you're prompted to confirm anything during sign-in, follow those prompts and give it a moment to reconnect. Many times, that's all you need. If the error comes back or doesn't go away, the next step is to update or reinstall Microsoft Teams. Start with an update from inside Teams. Click your profile picture again and choose Check for Updates. Teams will look for the latest version and apply it in the background. You may see a small banner telling you that an update is being downloaded or that the app will restart when it's ready. Let it finish, then relaunch Teams and see if the error is gone. Updates include bug fixes and improvements that directly address issues like this. If updating doesn't solve it, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall Microsoft Teams from your computer using your system's standard method for removing apps. After it's uninstalled, restart your device. This restart helps clear out anything left behind that could interfere with a fresh setup. When your device is back on, download the latest version of Microsoft Teams from the official site and install it. Then open Teams and sign in again. A fresh installation replaces any corrupted files that may have caused the error, giving you a clean slate and a much more stable experience. To recap, start with a simple sign out and sign back in to refresh your tokens. If that doesn't work, update Teams, and if needed, uninstall, restart your device, and then install the latest version from the official site. Follow these steps, and you should be back up and running quickly.